So today, quick overview of how to create a portfolio using the portfolio builder. Just select portfolio builder from our solutions tab. Some instructions, and then you can select one of the pre-configured portfolios. Just input your email. Here select the maximum return 15 volatility option. You can also try any of the other options. And then immediately will be presented the updated return, volatility, sharp and max drawdown in the table to your right. And you can also see graphically where the portfolio is located. Scrolling down, you can see monthly and yearly returns of the custom portfolio or the portfolio you've chosen. And a performance chart. This is the equity curve of the strategy, and you can add, for comparison, any of the other strategy into the chart. You can zoom also into any time frame here, for example 2015 to end of 2017. And now I'm going to show you how to use the custom portfolio. As you can see, I've still pre-selected the maximum return 15% volatility, but I'm going to change that now because I believe the maximum yield strategy MYRS is a little bit too high. So instead of going 45%, I go only 20% and then add the remainder to the Nasdaq 100. Now when updating that, you can see the custom portfolio percentage is only 89%, so something seems to be missing. And this is the allocation to the gold currency. So in this case, I just update at another 11%. And then can see that the performance increased slightly to 31%, but also the volatility. But still, I feel, and it's a little bit the arts piece, this portfolio is more suited for myself. Again, I zoom into 2015 to 2017, or here just into 2017. And now I'm pretty convinced this is what I'm going to invest in. So I take note of the percentages I've selected and then go to the signal consolidation. The idea here is to create the rebalancing signals at each month end. You can see similar chart. You can also take one of the pre-selected portfolios, just input the amount you're going to allocate or invest, input your email address, and I'm going to do that with the custom portfolio I've just chosen. Now you can see I get the updated allocations to each strategy, but also the detail how I would invest into the individual ETFs. And remember, this is consolidated, so if, for example, TMF would be in different strategies, you get the total allocations, and this is what you can see down here. This splits up the weighting, the shares, and then also should give you the total amount. Please note this is rounded down to full shares, so the total amount might be slightly different. And here you can see this is basically the same allocation, but it's not consolidated. So for example, you can see that TMF is repeated several times for each strategy, but this table might be suitable for validating your input and seeing how it breaks down into different strategies. Now you just copy the allocation table. You can also export it into a text file or into a PDF. I opened it with Excel. You can see this exactly the same information as you have been presented on the web.